Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be reviewing TD Ameritrade. So TD Ameritrade is known for zero commission trades and advanced trading tools, and it offers a user-friendly web platform and a powerful things or swim for advanced traders. Beginners may find the learning curve a bit steep, but once you get the hang of it, it's one of the best in the industry. So Think or Swim allows customizable charts, real-time data, and advanced trading strategies. The mobile app is also feature-packed, making it one of the greatest for ongoing investing. TD Ameritrade supports growth, stocks, ETFs, options for future forex, even crypto features. Whether you're a casual investor or an active day trader, the platform has tools to help you scale your portfolio. And if you talk about pricing and monetization, TD Ameritrade basically offers $0 commission on stocks and ETFs, but options and futures comes with fees. No minimum deposit is required, making it accessible to everyone. So, if you'll ask me my final verdict, I'll just simply say that if you want a powerful trading tool with no commissions, TD Ameritrade is a fantastic choice. But if you're looking for crypto trading or fractional shares, you might consider Robinhood or Fidelity. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.